You probably think the speed of light is just a number, but what if it were slower? Really, really slower? Our entire universe would collapse into chaos, and not in the way you think. Imagine a universe where light didn't travel at 299,792 kilometers per second, but instead moved at a crawling pace. The very fabric of reality would change. Time and space, which rely on the constant speed of light, would no longer behave the way we know them. Your GPS wouldn't work, stars in the night sky would blink out of sync, and communication across distances would become delayed beyond recognition. In Einstein's theory of relativity, the speed of light isn't just a speed, it's a cosmic speed limit, the ultimate reference point for causality and spacetime. If this speed were slower, even by a fraction, the entire equation of E equals mc squared would shift. Energy would be harder to produce, nuclear reactions would become unstable, and the sun might never have formed, or burn too dim to sustain life. Our sense of simultaneity would break down. Events that happen at the same time in our world would seem staggered and disconnected. You'd watch a lightning bolt before you heard thunder, but with a slower light speed, you might even hear it before you see it. Television signals, the internet, and even human vision would suffer from extreme lag. Cosmologically, the implications are terrifying. The early universe's rapid expansion, which depends on light's constant speed to explain its inflation phase, would fail to make sense. Galaxies might not have formed, the background radiation from the Big Bang would be distorted, and the very laws of physics could be different altogether. We often take the constants of nature for granted. Gravity, electromagnetism, and the speed of light feel like fixed numbers, but they are the pillars holding reality together. Tweaking one value, even slightly, can unravel everything. In a slower light universe, black holes might behave differently, perhaps light wouldn't even be fast enough to escape them at all. Biologically, our eyes and brains are adapted to process light in real time. If light lagged behind, our reactions would be slower, our perceptions delayed. You couldn't drive a car, fly a plane, or even play a video game without frustrating delay. The very way we interact with reality would shift dramatically. And what about quantum physics? In a world where particles can already communicate faster than light in entangled states, a slower light speed might amplify these strange effects, or suppress them entirely. Could this mean quantum teleportation becomes visible? Or does it make the entire quantum realm collapse into classical predictability? In short, the speed of light is not just a number, it's a boundary between chaos and order. A slower light speed isn't just inconvenient, it's an entirely different universe. One that probably wouldn't support life, consciousness, or the ability to even ask these questions in the first place.